This worker is holding a power saw, but not firmly enough. The moment the blade strikes the metal, the machine kicks back. In an instant, he loses control, and the saw cuts into his own body. Power tools demand respect. A firm grip, proper handling, and protective equipment are non-negotiable. Without them, a simple mistake becomes a serious injury. This worker is pouring cement into a running mixer, but in a moment of carelessness, he leans too close and gets pulled inside. The rotating blades turn routine work into a life-threatening trap. Mixers and rotating machinery must never be fed by hand while operating. Always shut down equipment before loading and keep a safe distance. One wrong move is enough to cost a life. A worker tries to pull down the forklift, but she wasn't aware that what could happen to her, and the accident happened. Now what we can learn from this: never touch a running machine and never get into the risk zone. Always be safe.